Hello friends, I hope you all are okay. Today we're going to talk about a new coin. It's not a new coin, but it is the coin that is going really good at the moment. The name is Kishu Ainu. As you can see on my screen, in the last 24 hours, it has shown about 81% growth. So that's really good for coin. Kishu Inu is just basically a meme coin, just like Shiba Inu, but it is in its early days at the moment. In this video I will show you how to buy it, and I will show my analysis and prediction about this specific coin. First off, we will go for the history of the Kishu Inu. I will go for the coin coin market cap. The name is Kishu Inu. In US dollar, has about, I think, 8 zeros at the moment. In the last 24 hours, it shows the coin price change. It shows 46% here, but it was showing 81% over there. The trading value has gone up. That's why the price is changing very much. And market rank is 2694, and the cities, and for as you can see here, it says the Kishu Inu was created in April 2021 with the goal of being decentralized meme project with a true purpose. So this is the main thing about it. Most of the new coins don't call themselves meme coin. The thing I like about Kishu Inu is it says itself in meme coin, and why I like it, the Kishu Inu more, is that it has two very strong community, almost 100,000 holder. It says within the first month of launch, Kishu made history by surprising 2 billion market cap dollar with one over 100,000 holder. So it has gone up really good, and so since yesterday's high and low, it has gone. Yesterday it was about 8 zeros, then 1719, and it went to 802956. So it was really great growth. So yesterday it was 64% growth. Today it is 45%. So that's not bad at all. Uh, so I would say it is really good. Since all time high, it has gone down by 81%, but that's not bad because the coin is getting really good response. So today I'm going to show you how to buy it. The Kishu Inu is available on many exchanges, such as you can buy from Trust Wallet as well. But the thing about Trust Wallet is that the fees is both very much on Trust Wallet. So I won't recommend you to buy it from here because the fees is really very much here, you can see, and that's why I won't recommend you. We can see the chart here. Yeah, since yesterday is going above 44. Yeah, exactly what I was saying about on the other chart. Since last week it's 185%. Since last month 563%. So really going good at the moment. It is based on the Ethereum project. So it's financed by Ethereum. So I'm going to buy how to buy it. I'm going to show you how to buy it without paying too much of fee. So it is because as you can see in my wallet, let me show you. I'm going to spot Kishu Inu. Yeah, look, I have about 370 million Kishu Inu I bought, and since yesterday I paid about bought of $10, and it is $15 now. So not bad for the profit, and it will definitely go up. The name of the app is Bitrue, BATRUE. Let me show you. Here it is, BATRUE by the Binance here, and here it is. So what you need to do, you need to put some make an account here, then put some of the how to say you buy with the USDT, buy, go to buy, select the amount. The thing about this here, you need to spend at least 110 about at least 10 USDT on your first order. So this is how much you can buy it for the 10 USDT. So that's all for now. I hope you like my video. Please give me a like if you like it, and you can drop the comment about which coin you want video next. Thank you.